Hello zoologist Dr. Zulfikar Ali Solangi. Topic: Common names of birds and scientific names of birds. Common names: 1 chukar, 2 cock, 3 house crow, 4 dove, 5 duck, 6 seagull, 7 kite. Scientific names: 1 Haliaeetus chukar, 2 Gallus domesticus, 3 Corvus splendens, 4 Columbidae columbiformes, 5 Anas platyruncos, 6 Clanger hastata, 7 Milvus macrans. 8 house sparrow, 9 parrot, 10 quail, 11 owl, 12 peacock, 13 pigeon, 14 cuckoo, 8 Pars domesticus, 9 Psittacula, 10 Cotonex, 11 Bubo, 12 Pavo cristatus, 13 Columba livia, 14 Cuculidae cuculiformes. 15 Myna, 16 Bulbul, 17 Vulture, 18 Koel, 19 Hummingbird, 20 Golden Eagle, 21 Falcon, 22 Black Francolin, 15 Acridotheus tristus, 16 Pasnatus Kapha, 17 Dianylus neophron, 18 Eudynamous scolopacus, 19 Triochilidae, 20 Aquila chrysatus, 21 Falconidae falco, 22 Francolinus.